that basically encompasses all the water conservation areas. In terms of climate change, Everglades restoration is really an enormous carbon sink. It only works though when the ecosystem is wet, and often the Everglades are too dry for too long. That leads to the oxidation of these peat soils across this surface that spans millions of acres. So by restoring the hydrology, getting the water right, we can regrow that carbon sequestration engine that this system has naturally within it to build up those peat soils. That groundbreaking really signifies a major leap forward in Everglades restoration, because what it does is it allows us to take water from Lake Okeechobee, water that would otherwise sit there, stack up in the wet season, leading to those unwanted discharges to the east and west coast. It allows us to take that water, store it, clean it, and put it back in the Everglades where it belongs. We've made great progress, particularly over the past decade, with completion of the 1-mile bridge on Tamiami Trail, providing the necessary flood control for communities to the east, and then again building that reservoir south of Lake Okeechobee that just broke ground this week. We're making great progress. The funding is where we need it to be. It's just sustaining that funding from both the state and federal government to get this project across the finish line.